Hello friends, welcome to my channel Automate Anything. If you are seeing this video, that means you have faced some exception during your automation code. You must have faced the session not created exception or illegal state exception while starting the browser. So session not created exception was something when the version of the Chrome driver or any other browser driver not supports the installed browser versions. And illegal state exception was thrown when the system property for respective browsers are not set. So to avoid this exception, you must have implemented some of the external library through the dependencies. So today I am going to show you a simple way to resolve this kind of exception. Here we go. So the news is driver executables are no longer required in Selenium. So if you are using Selenium version more than 4.6.0, you don't require any driver executable to run your Selenium code in any browser, because Selenium has introduced Selenium Manager package, which manages this kind of driver executable their own. They have implemented this in version 4.6.0. So let's come to the code and see how it works. I have created one Selenium project here, a Maven project, and this is my pom.xml file where I have the dependencies of Selenium Java, and the version is 4.5.3, which is less than 4.6.0. So for this version, Selenium doesn't have the Selenium Manager package within itself. So let's see how it works. Now let me create one main class and let me name it as using Selenium Manager. Okay, and I will create one main method here. And the first thing what we have to do is we have to initialize the WebDriver. I am creating one instance with the name driver, and I will initialize that using chromedriver. Okay, so just that. Now I will just open one web page. Let me open the Google home page. .com, and I will quit the browser. Okay, so this is the simple code I have written. So here you can see that I have not written the system property for the Chrome driver path. Okay, I have the drivers, respective Chrome driver and the eclipse files within the drivers folder in my project, but I am not mentioning the system property for this, and I am using the 4.5.3 Selenium version. That means it doesn't have the Selenium Manager package. Let me run it and you can see how it works. Yeah, so here you can see that illegal state exception, the path to the driver executable, the virtual driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver system property. So what we are used to set using the system property files before initializing the WebDriver. So that is our common practice. But now let me change the Selenium version to the any later version of 4.6.0. Let me do it for the latest version, that is 4.10.0, and let me reload my project. Okay, so let me see how it works. Let me run it again, and for any kind of confusion, let me just delete these drivers. Okay, yes, I have deleted the driver executable from my project so that it cannot take that exe file anywhere from my project or anywhere. So let me run it again using the Selenium 4.10.0, and let's see how it works. Yeah, so it successfully opens the Chrome browser and it's opening the Google home page. Yeah, it just opened the Google homepage and it will quit. So I haven't used the chromedriver.exe anywhere in my code. I haven't mentioned the path for that, but it just get the webdriver.exe file and it opened the browser. So that's the beauty of Selenium Manager. If you like this video, please subscribe. Keep watching. Bye.